Hi guys, I'm back with a new video, and today I'm going to show you how to make this easy macrame wall decor. If you want to know how to make this, please keep on watching. The first step is to attach all of your rope pieces to the stick. To do this, I folded my rope into half. Then I placed it over the stick and pulled the other end through the loop. This is called a lark's head knot. Evenly space out your rope on the stick. For the first section of the design, we will be using double half-hitch knots that will run diagonally like so across the first 8 rope pieces. To make a double half-hitch knot, all you have to do is take the first rope, which will be our lead rope on the leftmost side. Then take the rope next to it, which we will call our working rope. Make sure that it's behind your lead rope. To make the knot, simply wrap the working rope over the lead rope and thread through the loop. Then pull to tighten. Next, place your working rope over the lead rope and thread it under and through the lead rope. Pull again to tighten. Now you've made your first double half-hitch knot. Work on making 6 more double half-hitch knots going down diagonally like so. So that's a total of 7 knots. Making this knot can get a bit tricky, but I think the key here is to always make sure your lead rope is pulled taut in the direction where you want the knots to go. For the next part, we will be working on the opposite side of our V pattern. So I will be using the 16th rope as the lead rope for this part. We will be making another set of 7 diagonal double half-hitch knots going down like this to make our first V pattern. Then repeat this pattern on the next 16 row pieces. For the next step, we're going to make another diagonal row just below the right side of our first V pattern. The lead rope for this part would be the rightmost rope from this section. So make 7 double half-hitch knots directly under this section. Once that's done, we'll now move on to our next section, which is under the left side of our first V pattern. For this one, we'll be making our diagonal pattern all the way down to the 16th rope. So taking the leftmost rope, which will be our lead rope, make 15 double half-hitch knots directly down under this row. Then repeat this pattern on the other half. Next, we'll complete the first X pattern by taking this 8th rope and making another set of diagonal double half-hitch knots towards the first rope. Then make another row directly below it. To complete our first X pattern, make another set of diagonal double half-hitch knots on this side. Then, repeat the steps on the other side. So this is how it should look like. Then, we're going to take the lead rope from this section and continue making another set of our knots for the next 8 rope pieces. Work on making another set of diagonal knots starting from the rightmost side of the project. Just remember that every second row of your design should always go across like so. Repeat another row of your X pattern and you're done. To finish off this project, I just frayed the edges of my rope to make it look more flowy. You can also add beads or other embellishments if you like. There you go. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial. Let me know in the comments section below if you have questions or if you have tried making this project. Also, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for watching and see you soon.